It's time to create a new future. It's time to change your energy. It's time to move from the old self to the new self. It's time to change your energy and broadcast a whole new electromagnetic signature. When you change your energy, you change your life. So let the thoughts that you're thinking become the experience, and let that experience produce an elevated emotion, so that your body begins to emotionally believe that that future you is already living now. And as you signal the body emotionally ahead of the actual event, that you're turning on new genes in new ways, and you're firing and wiring new circuits, creating a new level of mind, just allow yourself to fall in love with this new ideal. Open your heart and begin to recondition your body to a new mind. And when mind and body are one and physically changed, to look like the experience has already happened, you are in a new state of being. So let the inward experience produce an emotion that becomes a mood, and then a temperament, and finally a new personality. Move into a new state of being. How would you feel if you were that person? And let those feelings drive your thoughts, motivate your behaviors. You have to feel so much gratitude that your body begins to change ahead of the actual event, and accept that this new ideal is already you. Remember, gratitude means it's already done. Just simply become it. Can you teach your body what it feels like to be empowered, to be free, to be unlimited, to be creative, to be genius, to be divine? Can you teach it what it feels like to have all your needs met? That the universe is in favor of you? And once you feel this way, memorize this feeling. This is who you really are. Simply tune in to your destiny. Just let go and allow a greater mind to begin to execute the details for you. It's not your job to try to create it. It's your job to design it. And as you change your energy, allow yourself to emotionally feel like this new personality, so much so that you begin to move into a new state of being. And a new state of being is a new personality. And a new personality creates a new personal reality. Now this is where you create a new destiny. From this elevated state of mind and body, it's time to command matter. You, as the quantum observer, can observe your new destiny from this state of invincibility, empowerment, inspiration, and joy. I want you to begin to see what that future looks like and bless it with this energy. And because you're creating with your own energy, you are entangled to this future. From this new state of being, form a picture of some event you want to experience and let the images come, and they will become the blueprint of your destiny, of your future. Observe that reality and allow the particles to move from waves of probability to collapse into an event called an experience in your life. Simply concept it, see it, command it, hold it. Align with the greater mind and then move to the next picture. Don't judge it. Don't analyze it. Simply see it as your new destiny. Live that future now and let your energy become entangled to that reality. That future event has to find you because you created it with your own energy. Simply let yourself go and create the future you want with certainty, with trust, with knowingness, and feel connected to something greater. living in a state of gratitude, is living in a state of receivership. And feel like your prayers are already answered. And when you do, you're broadcasting a signal that your future has already happened. And finally, it's time to turn to that power within you. The giver of life, and ask for a sign in your life today that if you made contact with it and you emulated this greater mind as a creator, and that it's been observing your efforts and your intentions, that it should show cause in your life so that you know that it is real, that it exists, and that you have a two-way communication with it. Ask that this sign from the quantum field come in a way that you least expect, that surprises you, and that it leaves no doubt that this new experience has come from this universal mind, so that you're inspired to do it again. Ask it for a sign now. You can move your awareness back up to a new body in a whole new environment and in a brand new line of time. And when you're ready, you can bring your awareness back up to beta consciousness. Then you may open your eyes.